going to present our project, and we are from Group Lee Kang Shen. Hi, I'm Dongbin, and now I would like to present the project overview. Our title is ANU Student Enrollment System. It is a web-based platform for prospective students to apply for admissions to ANU. It provides a centralized system for managing the entire enrollment process, allow the student to create an account, submit the applications online, upload the request document, select the preferred program, and track the application status in real time. And it also enables administrator to review and process the applications, manage the application record, and generate an enrollment report. Improve the efficiency, accuracy, and accessibility of the admissions process. And now I would like to talk about the problem statements. First is manual enrollment process is heavily reliant on paper form and manual data entry, and is highly risk of data error and lost the documents. And second is the lack of applications transparency. Students cannot easily track applications progress, and frequent inquiries the increased administrative workload. And third is administrative inefficiencies. Processing large number of applications in time-consuming. The manual verification slow down the decision making. And the fourth is the communications issues. It delays in delivering applications update and admissions result, and lack of centralized communications platform. And now I would like to talk about our project objective. Our objective is to provide an online platform for enrollment applications, enable secure registration and login for the user, and support digital submissions of academic documents, allow students to select the preference program, and provide real-time applications tracking and notifications, help the administrator review and process the applications efficiently, reduce the paperwork and processing time through the automations, improve the data accuracy, security, and transparency, enhance the communications between student and administrator, support the reporting and monitoring for better decision making.
First, I will explain the Agile Scrum approach that is used in this project. We selected Agile Scrum because it provides us flexibility and allows continued improvement throughout the development process. So instead of developing the entire system at once, the project was divided into several sprints. In Sprint 1, we focus on requirement analysis by gathering user requirements through surveys and interviews. For Sprint 2, we focus on system design, including the use case diagram, class diagram, and database structure. For Sprint 3, we involve prototype involvement, where we implement core features such as logging, cost management, and enrollment functions. And finally, Sprint 4 focus on testing, bug fixing, system refinement based on the user feedback. Next, I will explain the use case diagram. The use case diagram illustrates how users interact with the system. There are two main actors. The first one is the students, and the second one is the administrator. For students, the main use cases included registering an account, logging in, exploring available courses, enrolling in courses, withdrawing from courses, checking enrollment status, and managing their profile. For administrators, the main use cases include logging in, managing student data, managing course information, approving enrollments, and generating reports. Moving on to class diagram. The class diagram represents the object-oriented structure of the system. There are four main classes, which is students, course, enrollment, and also administrator. The student class contains attributes such as student ID, name, email, password, program, and semester. The methods include login, logout, enroll courses, drop courses, and update their profile. The course class contains course-related information such as course ID, course name, credit hour, lecturer, and the capacity. It also provides methods to add, update, delete, and also view courses. The enrollment class manages enrollment records, including enrollment ID, student ID, course ID, enrollment date, and status. And finally, the administrator class contains administration information and methods for managing students, managing costs, and generating reports. Lastly, I will explain the system architecture. Our system uses a three-tier architecture consisting of 3 layers. The first layer is the presentation layer, which is the user interact developed using web technologies. Students and administrators interact with the system through this layer using a web browser. The second layer is the application layer, which consists the business logic. It processes users' requests, validates data, handles enrollment operations, and communicates with the database. The third layer is the database layer, where all system data is stored, including student information, course enrollment records, and administrative data.
Hi, I'm Lincolnson, and next I'll talk about the demonstration. Okay, now we are in our website. Okay, for username in our program, I use it as my student ID, and the password I just leave a S. Okay, this is the correct. Okay, if I use a wrong one, for example, I lost here E, I use the ID, you say the invalid student login. Okay, now I just key the wrong password, for example I key as SD, then I choose to also say invalid student login. Okay, if now I use the correct, because in the I just put an S, I click login, I will come to this page. When we come inside, we will see the student dashboard and a logout button, and here is for search the course by course ID and course name. Okay, at here we can see the list of the course that we have. We also can add more in the coding, like for example TSE 6223, TDA, TWT. Then for now the enrollment status is no enrollment yet. This is from me, and I will pass to the next person. Thank you.
Hi, I'm David Xi, and now I'll continue to the demonstration. And now we can see at the last of each course has the enroll button. When we click it, and it will show the enrollment successful, and then we click OK, and the bottom will show the enrollment status, and it will show the course, which is TSE 6223, and the status is approved. And then next is the search bar. We can use course ID or course name to search for the course. For example, I search for TDA, and it will show the result of the course that I want. If too many courses start with TDA, I can search for TDA 6223, and it will show the course only that I want. And then same, if I click enroll, it will also show the enrollment successfully. And then when I click OK, here will change to TDA 6223, and the status is approved. And then now I can click log out, and it will go to the first page of my system. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.
And next I will talk about the admin page. Okay, the username I use in my program is admin, then the password is 1234, and I click admin login. Okay, now we come to the admin page. Okay, in here we can add course and delete course. For example, I delete the TDA, I just click delete. Okay, then you will automatically delete. Then I log out first. I go to the student one. This will log in, and you will also same as they were showing, the TDAs get removed. Okay, so I log out first. I go back to the admin. Key wrong. Okay, those will show the invalid. Okay, we want and we log in. Okay, now is the add course. I go for TDA 6223. Then data analysis, FISD, and says about 30. I add course, you will show course added, then you will add here. Then I click log out and go to student. transfer it, you add back here. That's all from us. Thank you.